Hello friends, today's topic 5 new stocks joining Morgan Stanley Index. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. The purpose of the video is service to society. Whenever an index adds a stock, the index funds and ETFs have to buy that stock to adjust for the inclusion and vice versa. Usually a stock is added to the index when its stock price has been doing well and hence its market cap has increased. As per a report by a brokerage firm, a few Indian stocks are likely to be included in the Morgan Stanley Global Standard Index, and this is likely to result in an inflow of around 7,500 crores in total in the following stocks. Here is a list. Likely additions in MSCI Global Index. Number 1, Polycab India, estimated inflows 1,600 crores. Number 2, Tata Communication, estimated inflow 1,430 crores. Number 3, Macrotech Developers, estimated inflows 1,410 crores. Number 4, Paytm, 1,386 crore is the estimated inflow. And number 5, Tata Motors, DVR, estimated inflow 1,440. Now, stocks shifted from small cap to standard index of Morgan Stanley. Number 1, Persistent Systems, estimated outflow is 1,967 crores. Number 2, APL Apollo Tubes, estimated outflows 1,815 crores. Number 3, Suzlon Energy, estimated outflows 1,602 crores. Number 4, Jindal Stainless, the estimated outflow 1,187 crores. Here is an announcement regarding our webinar, how to create profits from stock market. It's happening on Sunday, 15th October, 10:30 a.m. to 12:45 p.m. Cost for the first 75 participants is only rupees 199. After that, it goes to 499. Dr. Bharath Chandra graduates did not attend, and the seats are limited to the first 150 entirely on first come first serve basis. What are you going to learn in this webinar? How profitable stock markets are in the long and short term, because large number of people don't know the potential of the stock market nor the ability to create the passive income. Number 2, top stock market myths. Number 3, basic fundamental analysis. 4, basic technical analysis. Now how to join? Click on the payment link in the description box below and register. You will get the webinar link within 1 day after payment. Now coming back to the video, these index changes are likely to be announced by 14 or 15 November and will come into effect from 30th November. In the past, when stocks have been added to the Morgan Stanley Standard Index, the stock price has seen a short-term appreciation. So watch out for these stocks and then decide based on the technical analysis. By being alert about such news, we can benefit from a rally in some stocks due to positive news. End of the video, here is a question. Approximately what is the monthly SIP invested in mutual funds in India? There are 4 choices in front of you. 11,300 crores, 22,500, 9,800, 16,000 crores. And if you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. Video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.